How to fix the black screen issue when trying to use your webcam. So if your webcam's not working and you're just seeing a black screen, then to fix this, we first need to go and open up the Start menu and then click on Settings. In the left-hand navigation, click on Privacy and Security, and then scroll down to Camera and click on this. Now make sure camera access is turned on like you see here. Make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is also turned on like this, and also make sure all of the applications that you want to use the camera for, make sure these are also turned on. Then finally click on Let Apps Access Your Camera and make sure this is switched on. Now once you've done this, you can close out of this window, open up the Start menu on your computer and search for PowerShell. You then need to right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Now in this window here, we need to go and copy and paste the following command, and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can copy this as well. So I'm just going to paste this command and then press enter. Once you've done this, you can close out of this window and then you'll need to restart your computer. This is really important in order for this to work. Once your computer's restarted, you can check to see if that solved the issue. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu, search for the word camera and open up the camera app. Now from the right hand side navigation, just make sure you have your camera selected like this. And the last thing you want to do is make sure your camera is not covered on your laptop. So you can see this message here, it says your camera might be covered, and that's because I have a switch on my laptop that I need to slide over to the left. So once you've followed all of these steps, your camera should now be working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.